How to turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube mobile. Hey guys, in the video I am going to show you how to turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the YouTube app. This works the same whether you're using an iPhone, Android phone, or even checking things out on a computer. Once YouTube is open, you might notice that the layout looks a little different because YouTube has moved a few things around in the latest version. Now, look down at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. As soon as you do that, you'll see a menu open up. At the very top, YouTube now shows options like switching accounts, your Google account, and the option to turn on incognito mode. To enable incognito mode, simply tap on the option that says Turn on Incognito. That's it. Incognito mode is now active. You'll know it's enabled because you'll see a small detective-style icon, and at the bottom of the screen, it will clearly mention that you're browsing in incognito mode. While incognito is on, any videos you watch won't be saved to your watch history, and your searches won't be tracked on your account. This is useful if you don't want YouTube recommendations to change or you're just browsing privately. Whenever you want to turn incognito mode off, tap on that incognito icon again and choose the option to turn it off. As soon as you do that, you'll be signed back in to your normal YouTube account and everything will go back to tracking your watch history as usual. That's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.